Have you ever wondered what it would actually take for humans to live on Mars? I mean, it's the dream of scientists, space agencies, and even regular people like you and me. But the truth is, Mars is not just another planet. It's a place so hostile and extreme that even the most advanced technology struggles to keep up. Did you know NASA's Opportunity rover, which was supposed to last just 90 days, survived for almost 15 years exploring Mars, and yet it was finally silenced by one of the deadliest Martian dust storms ever recorded. Imagine a dust storm so powerful it blocked out nearly all sunlight for months, leaving the rover with no energy to recharge its batteries. If a robot can't survive that, what hope do humans have? Now, let me ask you, if given a chance, would you be ready to live on Mars? Would you pack your bags and leave Earth behind? Think about it, because this question isn't science fiction anymore. The reality is, Earth is facing some serious problems. Glaciers are melting rapidly, rivers are drying up, and huge parts of our planet are becoming harder to live in every day. Climate change is pushing us to think beyond Earth. By the year 2100, fresh water might be so scarce that life as we know it could become impossible in many places. And then there are the bigger threats: nuclear wars, deadly pandemics, or asteroid impacts, any one of which could threaten human survival on this planet. That's why scientists and space explorers are racing to make Mars humanity's second home. Mars is about 210 million kilometers away. That's more than 50 times the distance from the Earth to the Moon. But here's something fascinating. A day on Mars, which scientists call a sol, is just 24 hours and 37 minutes long, almost the same as Earth's day. Mars also has seasons, polar ice caps, mountains taller than Everest, and even ancient river valleys that suggest water once flowed freely on its surface. At first glance, it almost seems like a sister planet to Earth, but appearances can be very deceiving. You see, Mars isn't a friendly place. The water that exists there isn't flowing in rivers or lakes. It's locked away beneath the surface as ice. To survive, humans would need to extract that ice with special equipment and turn it into drinkable water. The atmosphere is made up of 95% carbon dioxide and only 0.13% oxygen. Compare that to Earth's 21% oxygen, so breathing naturally on Mars is impossible. We would need to produce oxygen artificially using complicated machines like NASA's MOXIE project, which is already testing ways to convert Martian CO2 into oxygen. And then there's the cold. Daytime temperatures on Mars can drop to a staggering minus 60 degrees Celsius, and nights are even colder. Imagine trying to survive in a place where your body could freeze in an instant without special suits and heated habitats, not to mention the lack of a magnetic field, which on Earth protects us from harmful solar radiation. On Mars, radiation levels are high enough to cause cancer and other serious illnesses, which means any colony would need heavy shielding or underground shelters. Let me ask you again, knowing all this, would you still want to take the risk to be one of the first people on Mars, or would you prefer to stay safe on Earth and try to save our own planet? Now, despite all these challenges, scientists are working hard to find solutions. Inflatable habitats, underground bases carved into Martian soil, and sealed greenhouses are being developed to keep future colonists safe and fed. Technologies to mine underground, ice for water, produce oxygen, and grow food in controlled environments are already being tested in places like Antarctica and the International Space Station. But even with all this preparation, Mars throws one huge curveball at us. It's dust storms. Mars dust storms are not like anything we experience on Earth. They can cover the entire planet in a massive cloud of dust, blocking sunlight for weeks or even months. Without sunlight, solar panels stop working, communication systems fail, and life support machines can't operate. This is exactly what happened to Opportunity, and it's a stark warning that any mission to Mars has to prepare for these extreme storms. So here's a tough question for you. Do you think humanity can truly conquer Mars and build a thriving colony there? Or is it too dangerous and expensive a dream to chase right now? In the end, Mars represents both an incredible opportunity and a massive challenge. It's beautiful, mysterious, and deadly all at once. It forces us to realize that the universe is not made for us, and if we want to survive, we have to fight for our place in it. Maybe, just maybe, by conquering Mars, we'll learn what it really means to survive, not just as individuals, but as a species. If this video made you think, hit the like button, subscribe for more fascinating journeys into space and science, and share your thoughts in the comments. Would you want to live on Mars? What scares you the most about it? Let's talk.